Hey guys, so we just got out to the woods. We appreciate you guys joining us out here. We're going to do a little last minute scouting for Bentley's turkey hunt, kind of get a plan together where we're going to sit. And I also wanted to start you guys off the trail today to show you this nice little spot we found back here. So out here, a lot of palmettos and pines, and once we walk you in through here, it almost changes to some northern woods. It's really wide open. There's a creek through it. Nice little spot. So if you guys want to come along and follow me, we'll show you where we're setting them up Saturday. So this is a pretty awesome spot that we found about a year ago. It totally opens up in here. We've got a deer stand here that we built. This is typically a deer spot for us, but we've had so many big gobblers come through here, 4 at a time or so, that we're excited to get Bentley here. I think it'll give him a good chance to get on a bird. We're going to walk back a little further and show you the natural blind area that we found, and we're going to set up on Saturday morning. Okay guys, so just walking in here a bit further, now the deer stand's over on our right. We've located this nice little natural blind area. We don't like, for turkey hunting, in my opinion, we don't like to build big blinds and stuff. We just want to sit in a natural area with our camo on. And I'll walk on in here and just show you, even without camo on, we got some pretty good coverage, as well as a 360 view of these woods, so we can get a good shot. So we intend on sitting against this log, me and Bentley. The turkeys have been coming in from this direction. We're hoping that's the way they play it. We also have clear shots, even if we had to turn around, if one's gobbling behind us, we can make that happen. A creek runs right along through here where we deer hunt, and the turkeys seem to be following that creek along in the morning. So we're going to set up Saturday, early morning, and hopefully we can get a little bit of action. So hopefully you guys will tune in Saturday and we'll have some action for you.